The VIVOHOME company was nice enough to sponsor this 52-pound box with a bunch of stuff inside. Let's unbox and see what's inside right now. It comes with a heat press machine, which comes with a handle which does this. Ooh. Wow. When done correctly, your design should look great on the t-shirt. You could use this machine to make sweatshirts too. This machine also comes with an overload protector, a power switch, 4 buttons, and a screen, which we will learn how to use them in another, more in-depth video. It also has handles on each side of the heat insulation cover, which you could move to the left and to the right when you are finished heat pressing. They also give you 2 silicone pads, and here are the parts that hold up the machine. Next, you have the mug heating presses and the mug heat press machine. They actually give you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which is already installed on the machine, and 6, which I forgot to unbox earlier. I really wish they were labeled though. According to the manual, they provide you with 1 6/9, 12, 17 ounce and 1 BGLH, but I'm not sure which ones are which. But don't worry, I'll figure it out and show you in another video. The good news is this machine looks like it works, and someday the print is going to look like that. Wow. Another thing they provide is the pen heating press. You're allowed to put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 pens. You could make the pen look like a barcode and celebrate by rolling it across your desk. The power cable is also provided, and yes, it's 3-prong. Before this measurement is over, can you guess how long this is? No! If you guessed about 60 inches, you're correct. Let's show you these gloves up close. Here's the right and the left. Together they are shiny, comfortable, and protective from the heat press machine. There's the manual, but you don't need it because you got us. The plate transfer press has 2 sides to it, an 8-inch side and a 10-inch side for 10-inch plates. They also have removable silicone pads for both sides, and when done properly, your logo can show up on a plate like this. Nice! And finally, the cap heat press machine comes in 2 parts. The top and below the hat is the bottom part. When it's pressed correctly, you can have an awesome looking hat that your fans can wear. Ooh. And just remember that there are links in the description below if you want to know how to get this heat press machine for yourself, or if you just want more information on it. If you got value from this video, please like, subscribe, and click the bell for the latest videos from us. Click these other vids to learn how to use this heat press machine, and until then, I'll see you at the next item.